guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a Goodwill bins junk journal supply haul. Well, most of it is for junk journaling. I went to visit our daughter, or my husband and I both did, and they have a bins there that has hard goods and books and things like that. Ours do not, but I always love to go there and see what there is. I did find other items that I'm reselling on eBay, but they don't have anything to do with junk journaling. So I just wanted to show you the things that I found. First off, I found these really cool vintage books. There's the Cinderella one here. This is not a Disney Cinderella, it's just the story. But this book is from 1954, and it is, I love it. I love it. So I'm going to make a journal out of this. So cute. And this is a wonder book. That's what that is. There's the back. And then I found this Richard Scarry's Best Storybook Ever. It has 82 stories and poems in it. And this one, I don't remember when this is from 1968 was the last publication, or when this was published. Oh, there is some writing in it, but I think I have another one of these, a similar sort of big Richard Scarry book like this, but I always love these. Pages are all so cute, and there's always so many different themes in them. So I found this one, love it. And then I found this Randy Mcnally book of favorite Mother Goose rhymes. And let's see when this one was published. I'm not sure. It's in Roman numerals, and I'll have to look that up. So anyway, this one is really cute too. I absolutely love, especially these little guys here. They're so cute. Just adorable. Oh, look at those. Oh, this one's cute. The little girl and the kitten. It's adorable. And then the last book item that I picked up was this vintage piano music. It's a Christmas one, and well, looks like the cover is, oh wait, here's the cover. It just, here it is. It was all wrapped up in there, but coming apart. But it is this book, Sounds of Christmas. And these just are nice to add into Christmas journals. So the typical Christmas carols are in there. Now I found some white tickets. I always like to use those. Sorry, I'm trying to get this so the light isn't, there isn't a blaring little light spot there. So just some plain white tickets. I found 2 rolls of vintage wallpaper that I thought would go well with botanical or floral themed journals. They're just a border. I found these. I'm actually going to use them. There's some wood chalk tags, and I'll probably use them for my daughter's wedding that's coming up. And then I also found these chalkboard stickers just for labeling in my craft room. So they were out of, I think they're all this Martha Stewart brand. And then I found some bingo cards. They're newish, they're not very old, but I always like to include bingo cards and alter them in my journals. And then I found these really cute Christmas cards. I thought these would be cute to add into like a dog or pet themed journals. They're not vintage at all, but they're just adorable. They have a little bit of glitter on them. And then the envelopes were with them as well. And the envelopes have silver lining in them. And they are Hallmark. So really cute. So either use them in journals or as my Christmas cards, but I normally make my Christmas cards, so probably use them for that. And then I found these stickers, so I thought these would go well. They're like a velvet. So cute in dog themed and cat themed journals. I found this stack of different kinds of Glassine bags, and then these are just little treat bags. They have the Eiffel Tower on them, so I thought those would go well with vintage travel themed junk journals. And then these are all just different ones. There's a few of those, and then some colored Glassine flat bags. These are always fun to put in journals on pages and things. And then I found a small stack of purple envelopes. I also found these really cute napkins. They are a farm themed Christmas napkin. So those are super cute. I also found some that had like poppies or some kind of flower on them and a black cat, but I gave those to my daughter because she just adopted a black cat. So, and then I found this package of Uno cards, and I thought those would be fun to add into some journals. I found other items that were not necessarily junk journal items, like I said before, but hopefully this gives you inspiration to go out and look for some fun items at your Goodwill bins or thrift store if you have one nearby. I certainly enjoy doing this. It's the thrill of the hunt. It may not be for everyone, but if you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.